day after Mamata Banerjee blasted the central government for ordering the 3 IPS officers out of Bengal. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has come out in support of the West Bengal government and State Chief Minister Banerjee. Taking to Twitter on Friday morning, Kejriwal wrote, "I condemn the centre's blatant interference in the Bengal administration. Encroaching on the rights of states by attempting to transfer police officers to centre just before elections is an assault on federalism and an attempt to destabilize." Following the attack on BJP chief JP Nadda's convoy last week, the centre ordered 3 IPS officers on security duty in Bengal to return on central deputation. However, Mamata Banerjee has refused to release them. The 3 IPS officers were on duty at Diamond Harbour near Kolkata on the 10th of December when the convoy of BJP chief and senior party leader JP Nadda came under attack. The centre's order triggered a furious set of reactions by Mamata Banerjee. The West Bengal CM blasted the centre, calling the move a brazen attempt to control Bengal by proxy. Government of India's order of central deputation for the 3 serving IPS officers of West Bengal despite the state's objection is a culpable exercise of power and blatant misuse of emergency provision of IPS Cadre Rule 1954, tweeted Mamata Banerjee. In another tweet, the West Bengal CM said, "This act is nothing but a deliberate attempt to encroach upon state's jurisdiction and demoralize the serving officers in WB. This move, particularly before the elections, is against the basic tenets of the federal structure. It's unconstitutional and completely unacceptable. We wouldn't allow this brazen attempt by the centre to control the state machinery by proxy. West Bengal is not going to cow down in front of expansionist and undemocratic forces," Banerjee said in her last tweet.